How to find my name in Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to find my name in Binance. So first thing, just open up your Binance application and make sure you're already logged into your account as well as verified your account to actually see your name in Binance. So from over here you can just tap on this top left corner of your icon, that is hamburger icon, and it will show you your profile section. So you can basically tap right below the profile section. As you can see, currently my account is regular. So if you have already verified your account, you should be shown such as verified. So as you can see, currently it's unverified. So just tap on this regular or verified option based on your choice. So if you have already verified, you can simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is personal information after clicking on verified from the home screen or account settings screen, as I showed you previously, and there you should see your legal name just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.